बुद्ध का ये है कहना, बुद्ध का ये है कहना, बुद्ध का ये है कहना, बुद्ध का ये है कहना। सबसे बड़ा धर्म है किसी को दुख ना देना। बुद्ध का ये है कहना, किसी को दुख ना देना। सबसे बड़ा धर्म है किसी को दुख ना देना। सारे गा रे गा गा पा धा पा धा गा सा रे सा रे गा रे सा सा गा पा गा रे सा सा। अहिंसा परम धर्म, अहिंसा परम धर्म। बुद्ध का ये है कहना, बुद्ध का ये कहना, बुद्ध का ये है कहना, बुद्ध का ये है कहना। ला 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 ला। सबसे बड़ा धर्म है किसी को दुख ना देना। बुद्ध का ये है कहना, किसी को दुख ना देना। सबसे बड़ा धर्म है किसी को दुख ना देना।
You, these young people, young brothers, sisters, now you have also the opportunity to see more peaceful world, happy world, and also see you have the responsibility to create that kind of world, not through prayer, but through action. Now, in order to carry that kind of action which bring peace on this planet, happiness on this planet, firstly, you need inner peace. Without inner peace, impossible. Through anger, through jealousy, through extreme sense of competition, impossible to bring peace. So we must develop inner peace, irrespective of whether believer or non-believer, even any religious person. I think like Muslim. Okay, now, so therefore, firstly, we need pay more attention about our inner peace. Now I want to tell you, Buddha Shakyamuni is Indian, was Indian. Mahatma Gandhi, Indian. Of course, these personal, individual personal, very important. But important is what cause produce such nice person. That's India's tradition. India's tradition, over 3,000 years, paying much attention about our inner world, our emotion, and how to tackle our emotion. Because of that kind of cultural heritage, this country produced, I think, most great thinker, philosopher, and then real sort of people who really thinking seriously about this well-being of humanity. Firstly, well-being of himself or herself, then well-being of surrounding community. The inner peace is very important. Inner peace will not come through prayer, but the destroyer of inner peace is within ourselves. We should know what kind of emotion bring inner peace, what kind of emotion destroy our inner peace. Then tackle these different emotions. So for that reason, India, only this country, I think 1,000 years, is a knowledge, quite full of sort of knowledge about human emotion, human mind. Then you see the method tackle these emotions. So now while we praising Mahatma Gandhi, Buddha, I think basically we must now realize that 1,000-year-old India's tradition is really a great tradition which can produce a sort of marvelous human being. So this tradition is tradition of the country, not an individual person. So all you Indian, your tradition. So now with this tradition, more Mahatma Gandhi should produce, and more Buddha should produce by this country, because the same culture. In ancient time, this culture produced such a wonderful person. Now modern time, why not? I think now today, with modern education and scientific knowledge, I think modern Indian have a better sort of facility to become, new Gandhiji. Gandhiji, the technology he may not know. Now modern Indian, you see, can be Gandhi like Gandhi with full knowledge about modern technology or science, these things. So now you Indian, firstly, should develop self-confidence. I think during British sort of colonial rule and introduce modern education, modern technology, it could be some Indian mind is a little bit of the Western nation, because of highly developed the technology, these things. So you may feel something little sort of behind. Now you should think, as far as the sort of knowledge about the inner world is concerned, India much developed. So now this country can combine modern education, modern technology, including science, and modern economy. This is very important for provide physical comfort. Plus, ancient Indian knowledge how to take care about our emotion, about our inner world. Only India have the opportunity to combine modern knowledge and ancient Indian knowledge. Modern knowledge provide us physical comfort. Ancient Indian knowledge provide us mental comfort. So this, I think you have the opportunity